side. So we're here primarily because this is a one-stop shop for us, and we always know that CIA students are passionate and engaged and good at what they do.
So CIA students are definitely a cut above the rest because when you go to the CIA, they share the same passion that every other student before them has given them.
They set the bar, it's here, and every student that goes here, comes to experience that.
And when I go here, specifically to recruit, I know that the people here teach them those same exact standards, and that's why CIA is a cut above the rest.
You're at the best school in the country, if not the world. This attracts the best of the best, and that includes the recruiters that are here today. So that's why I come all the way up from Boca Raton, Florida. I fly up. I'm here for a couple days to do one-on-one, face-to-face interviews with the students to make sure that we are interviewing and attracting the best students possible for our operation.
It basically creates incredible food professionals, breeds some of the best cooks in the U.S. and the world.
It's also critical that we have somebody that's got chef background, right? So we're not looking for somebody that's just a food scientist. We're not looking for somebody that's just a chef. We're looking for somebody that's sort of got both of the disciplines. The CIA provides both.
You come here to the Culinary Institute to look for the best of the best. The expectation is the best of the best, and that's why we're here today.